Hello guys, and welcome to my post today on content creation versus web design. I suppose, look, if you look through many different businesses and other people that you may know and look at their websites, or just do a Google search, and you're looking through different websites, straight away you see the flaws that they have. And I think the biggest mistake a lot of people make is when they're going about getting a website designed or getting developed. Many businesses, I think, they'll spend a lot of money on web development, and they get they go to whoever is designing the website, and after a week or two, they get their website back, and it looks fantastic. The design is great, beautiful looking themes, and people get carried away. They're absolutely delighted with this website, and they're paying out thousands of dollars or thousands of euro, irrespective of where, or thousands of pounds. They're spending a lot of money on their websites to get this online presence through their website. But the thing is, you must understand, if you go to the search engines, you often see very simply designed websites up at the top. Why is that? Well, the simple answer to that is it's content creation, and it's quality content creation. And the people that are behind the website, behind the business, behind the industry, uh, they understand how to create quality content, how to optimize for the search engine, how to optimize for people. And that's what it's all about. You don't have to have the most elaborate looking website. You have to have content. A great web design is not going to get you to the search engines on its own. It needs content. Compare a simple web design with good content will get you to the search engines. So therefore, it is imperative that we understand that it's all about content creation. Um, as I say, uh, it's not the most difficult thing in the world to build a fully functioning website. Um, Obviously, there are different places you can go. What I'm using obviously is WordPress, and it's a fantastic content management platform where I can create content on a regular basis about my products and services, and get my products and services visitable on the online. Obviously, you wouldn't be here listening to my video today if I didn't know what I was doing. I obviously captured you, or gained you, um, called you to action to listen to my particular post today, my video, whatever you want to call it. So therefore, it is about content creation, and it's about producing quality content on a regular basis. And how you do that, obviously, is you're going to have the use of images. You're going to have definitely the use of video, the power of video. You're here listening to me today. It's much easier to listen to someone than read reams of text, and that is how you're going to add depth and value to your website. Is And it's going to be credible for the search engine, and it's going to be credible to people, because obviously the search engines are looking for time on site. If you have video on each post you're making, people are engaging with your site in a longer period of time than they would reading text, because many, you know yourself, if you think of your own behavior when you go to the search engines, um, we type in a particular query, and up comes the result. We press on the result, we scan. Boom, boom, boom. We're just going, yeah, no, and then it's next one. Boom. Compare if we have video and it comes up top, and we click on it. We're going to listen. We're going to engage a lot more with that medium for sure. And obviously, it's going to help us then with help us by having the video, that we're going to engage the people a lot longer. That's going to obviously add credibility to us with search engines. So therefore, guys, it is imperative to understand that video is very powerful. You have to be producing quality content. Therefore, quality content incorporates video at all times. However, I think where people make the mistake really is they don't understand that um, your website has to perform. You have to have value for the end user, and you have to climb the search engines in order to get noticed. And how you do that is through content creation, through keyword density, through SEO, SEM, through video, through images, through good quality content production, and having targeting the right keywords, and understanding these little strategies of online marketing. It's not by having a very, very flashy looking website, because at the end of the day, your website could look fantastic, but you're the only one looking at it. There is no point. You know, you have spent thousands of dollars thinking, oh yes, people, I'll have a great website. But you have to ask the question, why have I the website? Many people use their website for highlighting their products and services to people they've already got. That's not the way it works. The website should be performing out there online, getting people from the net and drawing back to your business, all the while expanding and developing your business. The difference is people put up their website and they just refer their customers or people that have come through other means to their business, and then they refer them onto their website. That's not the way you do it. Your website should be going out there, performing, grabbing and gaining these customers and prospective clients for you. Therefore, you have to have the website performing, and it's not through fantastic web design, it's through content creation. So therefore, there is no comparing in this little question on content creation versus web design. There's no comparison. It's content creation that is king, and that is it. And you have to be, as I say, producing content on a regular basis, because it's going to add credibility. It's going to add credibility to your website. It's going to add depth and value. Obviously, you have to know certain things like contextual navigation, where when the person comes in, that they're reading they're reading a particular post or listening to you on video, that you have your website designed in such a way that it's easy for them to navigate to a related topic within your site. Obviously, I'm not going to go too in depth, but it's important because you want to be able to guide people where you want them to go. Because obviously, if they've come on with, say, SEO, or say the value of social media, you might have something on Google Plus or Facebook which is related to the value of social media. Therefore, that's related. So you're going to take them from that post to this post, because that's what they're looking for. That's what they're interested in. You're all the while adding value to their experience of your website through contextual navigation. So all these little things are vitally important. I see myself, many local businesses that I have been working with or looking at their particular websites. I found while they have great web design, some of them have poor web design, but that's it. They don't have any content. They have a few pictures from a couple of years ago, a little bit of text maybe on their prices, and it's not updated. It's not updated on a regular basis. You should be using your website a lot more efficiently, and you should be now, guys, realizing really the power of online marketing, and especially with traditional means. Traditional means are dying, or they're gone too expensive. Therefore, you have to come on board with online marketing, because it's the way to go. It's the way of the future. Everybody is really engaging online, whether it be book your travel, or food, or banking, whatever, or education. Everything is starting to go online, and as time will go on, that's the way we'll be. We'll be all interacting online. You just have to look at the way the social media has taken off. It speaks volumes of where our whole society is going, and therefore our business is going there as well, because now people have had that couple of years of interacting online through banking and stuff. Now they can see that yes, it's time to take our business where there is business online with good for years. What I'm trying to say is the more traditional business and local business, they have to realize the power of the internet. And I think many people have websites, no doubt about it. Many businesses have websites, but the thing is, you have to understand how you're going to get them performing, and how you're really going to get them performing. It's through content creation. It's not through web design. You really have to, obviously, if you combine both, definitely that is the way to go, of course. But what I'm trying to say is, what is king to you get your website really perform is through content creation. It's through adding those images, through adding those videos, through writing quality content on a regular basis about you, your business, or your industry, and that's through your content creation. So that's my little rant today. definitely I would just say start engaging with your website, start writing, start creating content on your products and services, and it's do it on a regular basis. It's not going to take too much time, guys. Look, to develop a post after a while, you'll do between 45 minutes and an hour. Starting off, it might take you 2 hours, but the thing is, you are doing it for yourself. Let's say any local business, if they're only putting a post up a week on your website, that is adding value to your website. That's 4 a month. It's only 8 hours for the month. You don't have to do it all together. You can do write your thing, write your post, do your video, whatever. Little things like that. Obviously, if you have more time, do it twice a week. But you see where I'm going with it. It's adding depth and credibility, and also with your content creation. If you're engaging with the likes of social media and stuff, and you put up the post, check out this, check out that, you'll draw people back. But it all comes from at the center to everything is content creation, guys. So thank you for listening to me, Colin McGill, and visiting colinmcgill.com. And I will see you in my next post. Thank you.